We are now at version 2.0 of the Abyss, the bottomless pit. Come check it out. The highlight of the build is going to be the Rocklander suspension from MetalCloak. The Rocklander suspension is essentially the game changer suspension retuned for heavier duty rear springs. We also added AntiRock sway bars front and rear. The new prolignment drop brackets. I want to build this Jeep to travel across the country, visit many of the scenic places like Moab, Monument Valley. I needed more lift. I found just right around Georgia, I was dragging the rear with my Jeep as I had it set up. Currently, the front really was okay with a 2.5 inch lift. The rear, it wasn't working. I had to go up higher. I had to do something bigger. And the shocks were completely blown out of my old lift anyway. So it was time to do some upgrades. And I said, if I'm going to do all these upgrades, I'm going to do them right. I'm going to do them good. And this Jeep should last me a whole lot of years and a whole lot of miles configured as it is right now. I also had to upgrade my drive shaft. With all these upgrades going on, you might be wondering how much all this costs. Guys, truth in advertising here. MetalCloak gave me this kit at retail price and not a penny more. In all actuality, I bought the kit on a holiday sale, got 10% off and free shipping. You didn't think I only did the suspension, did you? There's more. There's also been some changes in here. Now, the changes in here aren't quite finished yet. They got some refinement to do, but you've already seen some of this already. I'm going to show you the rest of it. I now have a MagSafe mount. Here's my phone connected to CarPlay. I now have wireless CarPlay. USB charger here on my radio rack. So let's talk about this wireless CarPlay and these remote charging ports I have. This has been a problem. While I'm riding around, I'm filming on my GoPro, and I'm looking right now, I got amber light on my GoPro. My battery's about to die. I said to myself, dang, I got to plug up my batteries and charge them. I take it, I plug my GoPro batteries up right here, and it shuts off CarPlay. Because the logic of this, when it detects more than one thing plugged up into it, it shuts all my CarPlay off. Now I've lost my Onyx off-road maps, which is a big thing. 2 standard USB chargers, one USB-C charger up here. This allows me to charge up 3 devices. I tapped it into the power source I use for my radio. All of that is fused right by the battery. I added a fuse up there for all this stuff because it's constant power. This has helped me so much. It's a whole lot of gap. You could fit a little bit more tire in here, couldn't you? Well, that may be the 3.0 mod. One of the things I'm considering doing down the road in the future, obviously I'm going to go to Moab. I want to do top of the world. That's my #1 hardest trail that I want to do. I don't have lockers in the front. I got a rear track lock, that front's open. I got to put a locker in the front before I even attempt to tackle top of the world. That's a Dana 30 from the factory. I got a Dana 44 in the rear, I have a Dana 30 in the front. I don't want to lock a Dana 30. I haven't even done the ball joints on this thing. That's why I'm staying 35s at the moment. I don't want to sink money into a Dana 30. That gets into phase 3. Phase 3 is probably going to be me buying a Dana 44 for the front. In the meantime, guys, I got a softball game to get to. I got to coach one night. If you can tell, I'm in the softball jersey. I'm going to coach my game. Check y'all out later. Get ready for the Jeep.